Hello and welcome along to the latest update for Scotland from the Met Office. Grey skies this weekend and outbreaks of rain. Scotland has avoided much of the rain that's affected southern parts of Britain in recent days and weeks, but it is going to be a soggy one this weekend and it's going to be wettest in the east, certainly through Saturday. Low pressure close to the Bay of Biscay, far enough where you'd think, but it is churning up areas of cloud and outbreaks of rain from the south during Saturday and Sunday. Initially, showery outbreaks of rain, a continuation of Friday's weather, but more persistent rain pushes into the south and then the central belt by Saturday mid-morning. That moves north, so that by lunchtime much of central and southern Scotland is looking pretty soggy, and the brighter colours here indicating some heavier rainfall across eastern parts of the country. The north and northwest largely avoiding the rain, but here it's clouding over and there will be a few light showers around as we close out the afternoon on Saturday. Not looking very pleasant at all, is it? Across Dumfries and Galloway through the central belt, it's a washout by the time we get to the middle of the afternoon on Saturday. And the heaviest rainfall there just piling into parts of Angus, Aberdeenshire, into Caithness as well, the Northern Isles, East Ross, and that rainfall really mounting up over the higher ground for the second half of Saturday. And once it turns up, it's here to stay for a good 12 to 18 hours. It does start to turn more showery across southern parts of the country, but look at this. Through Saturday night, you can see the bright colours just persisting across Angus, Aberdeenshire, East Ross, Caithness, as well as Fife. And in many places, those rainfall amounts will total 30, 40 mils, but over the higher ground of these locations, well, we could see as much as 80 millimetres, enough to bring the risk of localised flooding, transport disruption, yellow warning in force. The focus really through Saturday night. Now further west, good lee effect, good shelter from the higher ground elsewhere. And that means there will be some breaks in the west and temperatures will fall away in those well-broken clouds, but otherwise it's a relatively mild start to Sunday. Much milder morning compared to recent mornings. Not feeling very pleasant, I suspect, with grey skies, mist and murk. Outbreaks of rain continuing for a time, but you can see how it turns to showers effectively, brought in by a strong breeze across the far north and northeast of the country. Elsewhere, well, really we've got a plastering of low cloud covering the hills, some drizzle over the hilltops as well, one or two showers, but it is looking like less persistent wet weather. It's looking like a better chance of drier interlude, certainly away from the higher ground. And temperatures are up a few degrees compared to a couple of days ago, so 8 or 9 Celsius, perhaps a 10 somewhere. Yeah, Saturday night, the one to watch for that heavy and persistent rainfall. Warnings are in force. Keep up to date with all the very latest by following the Met Office on social media and, of course, heading to the website to look at the weather warnings. Bye-bye.